Hello, this is Larry. I'm logged into my PC that's currently connected to the APS network via this Ethernet cable here. And on the screen here I have a batch file that I've written called test.bat. And this batch file will be eventually dropped into my startup, or the equivalent to the startup in the registry, so that it can't be seen or detected in the startup folder itself. And it will launch every time the computer is rebooted. And what it does is it sits in a loop and it searches for any changes in the Ethernet cable's network that it's connected to. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to run this, because currently I'm not doing it at startup, it's still in test mode. To run it, I'm just going to type in test. Oops, it always helps to spell it right, don't it? There we go. There we go, now it's running. You can see the flashing cursor down here in the lower portion. That means it's running constantly now in that loop I was telling you about. So now if I come over here and I unplug the Ethernet cable to the TV network, come back, everything's still hunky-dory. But if I grab this cable here, this is the one going to the AETV network, and if I plug that guy up here, we can watch the screen here, blah 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 blah, and it says goodbye and shuts down the machine. Well, so nobody's gonna switch my network up. Anyway, that's all I got to show. Goodbye.